is the Sistema soup mug, but you can use it for anything you wish. So this could be for any hot drink or you wanted, or a meal as well. Say for example, you want to put soups, curries, stew, anything like in there. It is yours to do whatever you wish. And this is microwave safe and dishwasher safe as well, or wash by hand if you prefer. It comes with a lid which has the vent in it. It's really important when you're heating it up to have the vent open to allow the steam to come out. Handle on there is not overly hot, so it's quite good if you want to walk around with it. You won't get a hot hand. And all the Sistema has that nice rim on it to help it give a nice secure fit. But these are absolutely fabulous if you are active, maybe you go out a lot and you want to take your drink with you. These are really handy. You can also put them in the fridge or the freezer as well. So if you are a meal prepper or want to keep your leftovers, you certainly can. I often make too much gravy and I put my gravy in here and I freeze it so I can use it again later on. So yeah, it does come in other colours as well. It comes in like reds and blues and things like that. So take a look around. But yeah, we love our Sistema.